Hello Stage 2 and welcome to Maths for today. We're going to be talking about polygons. But before we start, you need to grab just a A4 piece of paper if you've got one around, or just anything that is a rectangle. And we're going to use that a little bit later. Okay, so a polygon, there's two things we need to know about polygons. They are any flat 2D shape, but they must have straight lines that enclose a space. So for example, we've got a triangle here. Yes, it's a 2D shape and it's flat. It has straight lines and they meet to enclose a space. Therefore, a triangle is a type of polygon. Same thing with a square. We've got a 2D shape, it's flat, it's got straight lines and they meet to enclose a space. So a triangle and a square are both types of polygons. This, on the other hand, a circle. Is it a 2D shape? Yes. Is it flat? Yeah. Does it have straight lines? No, it doesn't. It doesn't have straight lines. Therefore, a circle is not a polygon. Can you think of some other shapes that are 2D and have straight lines enclosing a space? That could be polygons. Have a think and see if you could list down some shapes on a piece of paper. Okay, we're also going to talk about symmetry today. Now you might have already talked about this in other years, so you might already know some of this information. But a line of symmetry is an imaginary line that divides a shape exactly in half. Now I've got a shape here, I've got my triangle, and I'm going to draw a line of symmetry on the triangle. So I'm going to go straight down the middle. Now what you'll notice is that this side of the triangle is a mirror image of this side of the triangle. It divides the line, it divides a shape exactly in half, and on both sides is exactly the same shape. We can also go through the triangle this way, and on both sides is the same shape, and this way too. And again, same shape on both sides. Now I'm going to draw a triangle again. Could I divide the triangle in half by going like this? Is that exactly half on each side? No, it's not correct. So that is not a line of symmetry. So how many lines of symmetry does a triangle have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Now a really easy and fun way to find lines of symmetry of shapes is to actually create the shape and fold it. So create the shape on a piece of paper and you can fold it up. So this is, what shape is this? It's a rectangle, that's right. And if we fold rectangle in half, that's one line of symmetry. I know that because this side of the piece of paper is exactly the same size as this side. It is a mirror image. Now another line of symmetry for a rectangle is you can go longwise down the page. This side is exactly the same as this side. So that's another line of symmetry. I want you to have a go at that at home with your own piece of paper. Okay, let's have another go. See if we can find another line. Can we fold it from corner to corner? I don't think this is going to work. Give it a go. Now folded the page in half, but is that a line of symmetry? No, it's not. There is not a mirror image on both sides of the piece of paper. So that is not a line of symmetry. So a rectangle only has one line, two lines of symmetry. I think you might like to try this with a square. So measure out a square using a ruler and cut it out and see how many lines of symmetry a square has. So thank you for watching the video today, guys. We have another YouTube clip that you can watch. It's just another song, and then there's going to be activities located in your classroom notebook. Thanks, Stage 2.